this is Copenhagen, and so today I come to tell you about the start from Chicago University to my house. So start from there to my house, not far from here, because go maybe 5 kilometers. So
Start from here to my house, not far from here. Just go maybe 5 kilometers.
Okay.
So it's
make off the sunroom from my house. Yes, and it is the road of this the road of the 30 road. Yes, and my village here. So I just go direct on this road to come to the university here. So how long is it? That's motorbike. How many years? Yes, it's very.
If I take short, it just 10 minutes.
If I take short, it just 10 minutes.